In this video, I want to talk about the free cash flow per share, the most important metric if you want to invest in stocks for the long term, because you have a clear correlation between stock prices and free cash flow per share. My name is Christophe Nour. I've been investing in the stock market for almost a decade with a performance of 24% per year. Thanks to this correlation, I mostly focus on companies that grow their free cash flow per share. And in this video, I will tell you that it is the case. So in this video, I will show you some proof and how you can benefit from it. Okay, I'm here on Stock Unlock, which is a great financial website if you want to analyze some stocks. And I'm on Meta's page, Meta Platforms page, so Facebook. And I want to check two things: the stock price and the free cash flow per share. And what you will see in percentage here is that you have a clear correlation between these two lines. If in blue you have the free cash flow per share, in green you have the stock price. What you see is very clear. If the free cash flow per share of the company grows, the stock grows. And here in 2022, you have a clear decline in free cash flow per share. The stock tumbled and then went back up when free cash flow per share increased. But you see this kind of correlation. Maybe this is a one-off event. Maybe this is not the case for everybody. Okay, let me check another business. You can check for, I don't know, Apple, for example. This kind of correlation is true most of the time for all businesses. You have here the same thing. Free cash flow per share, stock price. How can I zoom out here? Clearly, you see, well, you have a longer horizon, time horizon, 20 years ago. You see that when the free cash flow per share in blue goes up, the stock goes up. And here, for example, in 2015, you have a dip in free cash flow per share. The stock went nowhere. And then here, you have a small dip. The stock went nowhere. You have a small decline. You have a clear correlation. And I can go on and on and on with many examples, and there is a twist to this correlation, because most of the time you can say, okay, I want to focus on companies that grow their free cash flow per share in the long term. Very well. It doesn't work with cyclical companies. It doesn't work with cyclical stocks. So if you plan to invest in a commodities driven environment, a commodities driven industry, it may not work. So this correlation between free cash flow per share and stock prices work for normal businesses that continue to grow over time, that grow their revenue, grow their earnings per share normally. And you have some companies that clearly tell you that our priority in the long term is to focus on free cash flow per share. If you had read Amazon's letters, Jeff Bezos' letters, he highlights in the 2000s, 20 years ago, that their priority at Amazon is to focus on free cash flow per share growth. That's it. They were a tech company, an e-commerce company, selling books online. And these guys, unknown company at the time, it was not as big as now, they said, since the beginning, our focus in free cash flow per share growth. And it has worked beautifully. So they don't care much about other growth, revenue growth, EPS growth. What matters at the end of the day for them is the free cash flow per share growth. And they use delayed gratification to reinvest and reinvest and reinvest over decades. And now you see when they switch on their free cash flow button, they generate a lot of free cash flow. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio with great companies. Additionally, in this coaching program, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description below to get more information. You will get a short video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need for your mail address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.